Scene script. Why do high-tech companies rise to the top only to plummet down the other side? This is a question that Dr. Hwa A Lim has spent a significant portion of his illustrious career pondering. With a unique perspective that spans continents, industries, and decades, Dr. Lim has a wealth of insight to offer. Take, for instance, his case study of the auto industry. It's a classic tale of innovation and adaptation, of companies that thrived by embracing change and those that faltered by resisting it. Dr. Lim's observations serve as a stark reminder. In the business world, stagnation spells doom. Next, consider his examination of the retail industry, specifically the rivalry between Montgomery Ward and Sears. At the heart of their battle was a fundamental shift in America's population. Sears grasped the change, Montgomery Ward did not. The result? Sears flourished while Montgomery Ward floundered. This story brings Dr. Lim to an intriguing conclusion. In business, forever tends to last about 5 years, maybe a decade or two at most. This rule of thumb rings true in the story of Sears. Despite its initial success, the company failed to foresee the rise of Wal-Mart and the retail revolution it would bring. Finally, Dr. Lim delves into the photography industry, focusing on the trials and tribulations of Kodak. Stationed in Rochester during the company's most challenging times, Dr. Lim observed firsthand how even industry giants can falter when faced with rapid technological advancements. What do these case studies tell us? They point to the importance of adaptation and foresight in business. They highlight the danger of complacency and the necessity of innovation. Moreover, they underline that even the most successful companies can fall if they fail to keep pace with the changing times. So, the next time you find yourself wondering why some high-tech companies ascend while others descend, remember Dr. Lim's insights. Remember the importance of adaptation, the perils of complacency, and the fleeting nature of forever in the business world. And remember, in the fast-paced world of high tech, the only certainty is change.